Silence. Work in solitude. Nobody will celebrate your progress. Not really. Sometimes, people are happy when you're below them. But when you rise, that's when their true colors show. So keep quiet. Move forward, without a cheer, without the applause. Let your silence be the loudest voice of your success. Sometimes, you need to be quiet, to step away from everyone, even from the people you thought you couldn't live without. Not out of pride, but out of understanding, because real growth doesn't happen in the noise. You don't need to shout your goals. You don't need to tell everyone what you're doing or how far you've come. Some things are meant to be built in silence, when it's just you and your dreams. You grow in that quiet, when nobody's cheering you on, when you're tired but keep going, when nobody sees you fighting with yourself and the world. It's hard, sure, and sometimes you want to be seen. But remember, the biggest transformations happen in those moments nobody sees. Your silence, your solitude, your alone time. It's all shaping you. Stay with me until the end of this video, because you'll see why silence can be the loudest path to success. Lucas always had big dreams. Every time a new goal popped into his mind, he couldn't keep it to himself. He'd rush to friends, family, even coworkers and say, "I'm going to start my own clothing brand. I'm going to make an app. I'm going to become a professional bodybuilder." But somehow, it never worked out. Someone would laugh. Someone would say, "Forget it, it's too hard." Someone else would kindly advise him, "Be realistic." And Lucas, after every attempt, would go home crushed. He'd start with excitement, but the spark never lasted. After a few weeks, demotivated, tired, he'd stop. He thought, maybe I'm just not meant to succeed. Maybe they're right. But deep down, a small voice kept whispering, the problem isn't the goal. The problem is that you tell everyone. One night, after yet another failure, he sat by the window. The rain was falling, the streets were quiet, and all he could hear was the sound of the drops. And right there, he decided this time would be different. This time, he would build in silence. No posts, no stories, no explanations to anyone. The next morning, he woke up at 5, made his coffee, opened his laptop, and wrote, "Start, day 1." Every day he worked, researched, practiced, made mistakes, but kept going. He failed many times, got tired, but because no one knew his journey, no negative voice could stop him. Months passed. In silence, he improved. Every night, when he looked in the mirror, a small smile appeared on his lips, because only he knew how much he had changed. And one day, after months of relentless effort, his project was ready. A real brand, full of designs straight from his heart. When he released it, the world was stunned. The same people who had once laughed were now in awe. "Did you really make this? I can't believe it. You've come so far." Lucas just smiled. Not out of pride, but out of peace. Because now it wasn't his words speaking, it was the results. He looked at himself in the mirror and whispered, "I stayed silent, and yet my silence became louder than any shout." Sometimes you don't need everyone to know what you're working on. You don't need to broadcast your goals to the world, because most people won't celebrate your success. Some will even try to slow you down. So, focus on your goal, work in silence, and let your results speak for themselves. Silence isn't weakness, it's focus, perseverance, and faith in yourself. If this video inspired you, subscribe to the channel and join a community of people chasing personal growth, motivation, and big dreams. Here, every silence is the start of a victory.